Today we're going to have a great show. Today we're gonna fry some fish. First, cut the fish along the midsection. Now remove the intestines and spice the fish a little. You cook him for 2 hours in heat.
Now when I think about it, he does look tasty. Let's eat him. We need fire. Yeah. Hitachi-san, come here for a sec. Isn't that your Jinchuriki head? We didn't remove the intestines. No biggie.
That's it for today. Hope you like the fish.
Now for some anime. The last Quincy I saw was this old man, but you're special.
For the pride of the Quincy, I swear I will kill you! Sasuke. Holy crap! You idiot, you wrecked the TV! I've heard your voice. I know you're here. No, there you are. You've gotten stronger, but still.